The 7 Seeds of Raindrop Hollow origin story. Long before paths were carved through the woods, before whispering wings stirred the morning mist, the world was quiet. Then came the rain, not just any rain. This rain carried seeds. Seven of them glimmering like starlight, spinning slowly through the sky, each drawn by something old. One landed in the clouds, and from it the wind learned to dance. One sank beneath the river, and the water learned to remember. One sparked with fire and warmth found its first flicker. One rooted in stone, and the beasts began to walk. One curled into moss, and leaves began to bloom. One fell from the stars, and the sky learned to dream. One buried deep in the dark, and crystals began to hum. From these seeds 7 great trees grew, and from the trees came the first fairies, each carrying a gift. Time passed, and quietly 2 of the seeds began to shift. Fire, once bright, now cast both shadows and light. Earth, once whole, now sang with the wild beat of animals and the gentle breath of plants. From 7 there became 9, and so began the story of Raindrop Hollow. A place of wonder, where even the smallest leaf remembers the sky it came from. And though their story began long ago, it still lives in the hollow. Turn the page and step softly. The next tale leads through the magic of Raindrop Hollow.